Ngeliat aku jagain aku tepatnya, karena aku orangnya ternuan. Aku mau turun, cantik.
Yeah, I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself, I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check, 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 check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your picture. Do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, watch it falling for me. I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight. Everyone silent, listen to my money talk. Spend how I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, that mean go.
El creador con la luna menguante, la penumbra ya sé de mi parte. Canta mi paloma, tórtolas amantes. Se escucha un estruendo que viene de adentro. Pobre paloma, ahora lloras mi lamento. Ahora que el árbol ha caído y muerta la leña se ahoga en el fuego, se me desnuda el dolor y el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día, y el amor se fue. Quizás no quede nada, mi vigilia se acaba, penas ya no habrá. Quise borrar los recuerdos, se me desnuda el dolor y el alma. A lo lejos el río, el amor se lleva. Noche y día, el amor se va. Noche y día, y el amor se fue.
Life, we don't know what it is, so I'm asking why. We just spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate. Sublime. When above nature things you love to find, then you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it every day. True, we stress and pain is start to go, I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Try, never suck you from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified. But someday you have a turn that with the game. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view, letting you feel that from all of your soul. And all the stress and pain you start to go, I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. We live in a danger zone, and I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Gotta stop turning back.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome a new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying. shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain, with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games. I keep trying to be strong, but I'm fading away. I'll protect you as best as I can. That's the job of a family man.
It's panas guys. Wait. Panahon ko panas. Gimana cara bawangnya? Panas tangan aku. Aduh, dipegang aja. Ini, ada sama nih. Nah ini, oh bentar, lihat begini. Ha, oke. Ini, lo denger, perut gue bunyi, guys. Aku akan memakannya. Nih, tahu panas melepuh. It's so hot and back. Yeah, guys, tada! Aku sampai. Lelah guys, mau masak. Aku mau makan dulu. Goodbye. Gua mau makan goreng. gue nggak kepikiran buat kucing gue. Ternyata kucingku suka, tapi dia nggak habiskan, sedikit Cina makan. Dan kenapa? Kucing gue suka hilang-hilang, dia datang semaunya gitu loh. Karena gue sayang sama kucing gue, dia pulang nanti saat hamil. Mana aku tuh, nah anaknya banyak lagi, udah 3. Ntar kalau dia hamil baru balik tuh, kayaknya dia hamil kecil lagi nih. Dan kalian tahu kalau dia nggak bisa masuk lewat pintu bawah, dia kan lewat pintu jendela. My cat is so very smart. And you know what? Gue suka banget sama kucing gue karena dia pintar dan dia nggak makan, jadi gue suka. Terus dia tiba-tiba besar aja dan gue merasa bersalah gitu loh. Biasanya kan orang beliin makanan apa gitu, tapi dia bisa sendiri tanpa gue